If you have decided to connect Ethernet to your Hisense Android TV, then you have made the smart choice. So here's how you connect LAN to your Hisense Android Smart TV and link it to your router for faster wired internet. To set up an Ethernet connection on your Hisense TV, what you'll need is an Ethernet or LAN cable. Now you'll need to plug one end of the cable into your router's LAN port, and the other end will go into your Hisense TV's Ethernet port that's at the back. Make sure to push it firmly until it's secured with an audible click. Now, as soon as we do that, take a look at your TV screen and you'll notice the Wi-Fi logo has changed to an Ethernet logo. And if we open the settings, you'll see it says Ethernet connected here as well. And remember that while you have the Ethernet cable plugged in, you won't be able to use your Wi-Fi networks. So to start using Wi-Fi again, you'll have to unplug the cable. And that's how you connect your Hisense Android TV to the wired internet.